Good afternoon, good morning. My name is Adarao Tsaggai Antaneh. Today I am going to present our study on digital soil mapping and spatial variability of soil property for precision agriculture conducted at Holata Agricultural Research Center in Ethiopia. As a background, agriculture is a backbone of Ethiopia economy, which employs about 65 up to 70% of the population. However, the soil fertility variability is a major constraint for productivity. So digital soil mapping provides an efficient way to assess spatial variability and support site-specific nutrient management, improving sustainability and resource use efficiency. The main objective of the study was to develop a digital soil map and analyze the spatial variability of soil chemical property using geospatial techniques. The study was conducted at the Holata demonstrated field in the central highlands of Ethiopia. The area has a cool temperate climate with annual rainfall between 900 and 1100 millimeters. It is dominated by nitosoil soil type. A total of 649 soil samples were collected at a depth of 0 to 20 centimeters using graded-based sampling approach. These samples were analyzed for a key soil chemical properties and used as input for spatial modeling. We applied ordinary clinking interpolation using ArcGIS software to generate continuous soil property maps. The best fit semi-variogram model were selected based on prediction accuracy and error minimization. When it comes to the result, there is a significant spatial variability of the soil across the field. Phosphorus ranges from very low to very high. Calcium and potassium, medium to very high. Cation exchange capacity, moderate to high. The micronutrient like copper, low to high. Iron, high to very high. Magnesium, manganese, and nitrogen, moderate to high variation. Soil organic carbon, moderate to very high. Sodium, low. Zinc, medium to high. Soil pH, extremely acid to slightly acid, which affects the nutrient availability. In conclusion, digital soil maps help to optimize the soil fertility management. They identify the nutrient deficient zone and support targeted fertilizer application. This contributes to improve crop productivity and sustainable agriculture. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please welcome.